Good afternoon, 2018 Toyota Sequoia. You used to have to slam the door. The doors here are big, heavy. The car is also large, with 3 rows of seats. But we fixed that problem and installed door closers here. We removed the standard locks, installed exactly the same, only with a gear motor, with a cable, connected the power. And now, when we release the door closer pulls to the full stop quickly, smoothly, silently. Same here. Works great. Let's open it up, take a look. There are no structural changes, no additional holes, nothing. Child lock in place, working. Everything here, as the saying goes, you can't get to the bottom of it. The same is true on the other side. Let's check it out.
Passenger and driver.
On many cars we install door closers, both standard and plate type. Therefore, please contact our company.